Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe. In today's video, we are going to be making what we call hair moisturizer. You guys sometimes call this hair cream, hair leave-in conditioner. However it is known, that is what we'll be making today. I'll be sure to leave the measurements in the description for you guys to follow along. So I started with about 1 cup of shea butter, and now I am going in with Vaseline. Now, this part is also optional, but Vaseline has a lot of benefits for our hair, which is why I am incorporating it into today's video. I am now going to go ahead and add the other ingredients because we are going to be performing the double boiler method today. So I will go ahead with my cinnamon sticks. Now, if you do not have cinnamon sticks, the best one to use honestly will be the powder. But I wanted to switch things up today, so I decided to use the sticks instead. As I thought about it, I decided to go ahead and add some of the cinnamon powder that I had, just in case the sticks do not melt during the double boiler method. I wouldn't lose out either way. But when you're doing your video, you don't have to use both of them. You could just decide to use the powder or the sticks. Now I'm going to go ahead and add coffee. When I discovered the benefits of coffee for our hair, my dear, let me tell you, I now add coffee to my hairspray, to almost everything that I make. Just to tell you a few things, coffee naturally stimulates hair growth, it reduces shedding. If you feel like your hair sheds all the time, definitely try using coffee. It also exfoliates the scalp. So there are different ways to just use coffee. You can add it to when you're doing your leave-in conditioner. You can have a coffee rinse, a coffee scalp scrub. You can have a coffee hair mask. They're just different ways to use coffee that will benefit your hair. So now that I have everything in the container, I went ahead and put my water on fire. While it was boiling, I wanted the water hot already and bubbling. Then I put my container on top of the water. This process is called the double boiler method, and you guys will see in no time everything will begin to melt. Now, you should keep in mind that it is very important for you to stir it while it is melting so that you are sure that everything melts completely. Now, one of my greatest fear was that this cinnamon stick will not melt, and voila, it is not melting. So thank God that I went ahead and added some cinnamon powder. Now that everything is completely melted, I am going to go ahead and add the essential oil of my choice. And you know, number one will always have to be peppermint, because when I moisturize my hair, I love that minty feeling on my scalp. So after that, I am now going to go ahead and add my preservative. This is very important because it helps extend the life shelf of this hair moisturizer. So regardless of what you make sure you add a preservative. Then you go ahead and add all the essential oils that you would love for this hair moisturizer to have. Then put it in the freezer for about 5-10 minutes for it to harden before we go to the next steps. So when it comes to essential oil, make sure you are adding the essential oils according to your hair porosity. Now that it has hardened, we're going to go ahead with our electric mixer and mix everything to the consistency that we like. So if while you're mixing it, if you notice that it is too hard, go ahead and add some oil that we just add like a little fluff to the oil. When you're done, transfer it into a container of your choice, and it is all done. Guys, if you do try this, let me know in the comments how you loved it. I personally do love this particular one. The only thing is though, I wish it was a little bit more softer, because when I put it in the fridge and take it out, it's a little hard. So make sure you put enough essential oil to keep it soft. Other than that, I love it. I love it. I love it. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting. Stay tuned. I will see you in my next video. If there's anything you would like for me to show you guys, comment below and I will be sure to get that done. I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.